Yeah, here we are again, all you coat hanger dodgers, welfare recipients, know-it-alls, try-alls, seen-it-alls. There's the boss, hard at work, hard at work, hard at work. Here we are. We were cleaned up to start actually building, but I decided to take this abortion. The Price is Right. I was on The Price is Right the other day, and I won one of these hot rods here that needs a little masturbatory aid to run. Don't we all? But taking the body screws out of it yesterday. You know, they're all just rusted in the back and they're all getting hung up, so I'm gonna have to keep trying to take a few of them out, and then I'm gonna probably end up cutting most of them out. I got about a quarter of them out by hand, the rest I'm gonna have to cut. It's no big deal, just gotta get the Dremel. I remember finding the Dremel in all this mess, let alone my 10mm. So that's it.